This 2006 Itasca Suncruiser 38J is a Class A RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features a winter wheat with Sierra Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 88 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2006 Itasca Suncruiser 38J is built on a Workhorse chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.